What's up guys? Salmon on croute is a luxury meal, but today I'll be simplifying the recipe into easy to follow steps. You'll know exactly what to look for when selecting a pre-made crust, an easy filling, and how to wrap it, then finish it off in the oven. Let's get started. Although I prefer slicing a whole salmon fillet because I have more control over the fish sizes, you can save time by using the pre-portioned salmon fillets. Ideally, you'd want each piece to be the same thickness. These are about 2.5 inches by 5 inches, a great all-around size. Next, I grab my room temperature and softened cream cheese and then season with the following ingredients: salt, minced garlic, black pepper, and fresh lemon or orange zest. Oh, and grated Parmesan cheese for an extra nutty kick. Now it's time for the greens. I'm swapping out spinach with my favorite green, Callaloo. We're going to season it liberally with unsalted butter and seasonings to make it taste earthy yet meaty. Talk about umami. Smell the goodness. I'm so grateful for this pre-made puff pastry. It makes this whole recipe more user-friendly and quick to execute. Just cut it in half, roll it out a little bit, and assemble the filling starting with the cream cheese to act as a glue. You'll notice the dough is significantly wider. You're going to snip away the excess later. It's typical to snip off the excess dough and tuck it under both sides of our Wellington, but I've left off the extra edge on one or two of them to see which one I preferred. Finish your Wellington by using a sharp paring knife to draw a crisscross pattern on the top surface of your dough, taking care not to apply too much pressure that it cuts all the way through. This is pretty much the hardest part of making this dish. Easy breezy, right? With the remaining egg wash, brush and coat the entire top and sides of the Wellington, then place it in the upper third of your preheated oven. This recipe and more are available in my ebook, which is in the link in the description. After you remove your Wellingtons from the oven, let them cool slightly before cutting into them. It is best to be served warm with a garden salad and a fruity vinaigrette. Take it to a fancy dinner party, serve it at Thanksgiving or Christmas. This is truly a crowd pleaser. Enjoy!